So first, let's go out from our Facebook account. So let's click in our menu, then let's go down and then press logout. And let's press go out. Press create a new account. Then let's go to get start. And then let's write our name, our last name. Now let's select our birthday and then next. Our gender, next, and now let's write our phone number, or if you want you can sign up with email. So in this case I will use the email. Now let's write our email and then next. Now let's create a password and then next, and then if you want to save your login information, let's press save and now agree. And now you can add your profile picture. And now as you can see, we create our Facebook account very easy. Remember to subscribe and give like to the video.